Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Karen here and I have another product to review. So this is a children's digital camera which I bought from Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description if you want to get yourself a similar camera. I bought this for £24.99 and using Amazon Prime it came very quick, I think after a day or two, so that was quite good in terms of delivery. Now the box itself is really light. The description on Amazon says it's just about 6.5 grams, so very light, which is good for kids. So I chose the color pink. It looks like you also have a blue option and a green option. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. The 32 gig SD card, and then next you've got your micro SD card reader. So this is the neck sling, so this part will attach to the camera, and then this can be slung over the around the child's neck, so that's quite good and handy. And then we've got the USB cable to charge the camera, and then this is the little camera, very light. Like I said, it's pink and it's got the silicone casing which is nice and smooth, and I think it's good for grip, especially for kids who drop things easily. And apparently it's also shockproof, so if it keeps dropping and everything, that would be safe for the camera. Which is this little thing, which is good because it's easy to just remove. So just like that, voila, and it's removed. Then you've got this little part here, which is where you will then hook on this little cable. You've got your power button, which is this one. You've got your up button, you've got your down button, and then you've got your left button, and you can also use it for setting the timer. And then you've got your right button here. On the side over here is where you will put your USB cable when you want to charge the camera. And I think this little dot here is a reset button, this little hole here. And then here is where you put your SD card. So the instructions do say you need to charge the battery fully before you first use it. Okay, so I've plugged it to a power source, the other end, and now I'm going to plug it into the camera. There we are, and as you can see, it's now charging, and you'll actually notice there's a little light that flashes here to tell you it's charging, as well as the screen. Okay, so I am back and it's fully charged. I think it took about an hour or so for it to fully charge, so just give it a bit of time. And as you can see, the red button has now switched off, and if I just click on that once, you'll see that the battery is on 100%. So I'm going to remove this cable now. Okay, so I'm going to take the SD card and insert it in. There we are. So you just have to push it in until it just clicks into place. So long press to switch it on. Then it's got that cute sound there. Then you get to the main menu. So let's say we want to take a picture. So from what I've gathered, the power button, this one, is if you want to go back. So you've gone into a certain place and you want to come back, so you use this one. And then this top one here is if you want to select something or confirm something. So let's say we want to take a picture. So I'm going to click on the top button, and I'm going to click on this top button here. So it seems it's got a countdown. There you are. So I think it's taken there. And I'm going to just play around and see what we have on this camera mode. So I'm going to go up. These nice little images here that the kids can add to the photo. So you've got a mouth there, mustache, glasses, different frames that they can use, which is really cute. You've got a clown. If I go, I'm going to use the left or right buttons, and that actually switches the camera around to selfie mode. There you have it. And then that takes it back to the front camera. And then if I click on this next one here, it's removing the timer and putting it back. So now to go back, we press on the power button, just tap once, and we're back. So let's say now we want to go to video. So I'm going to click on the right button and select. Okay, and now if I want to take a video, I'm just going to click on this button, and as you can see, the video is starting. So I'm just going to take a video of the things that are around my desk. And stop it there. Okay, there. Okay, so we're going to go out of that. And then we're going to go to the right and go to playback and select. There we are. So there's the video that I had taken. So I'm going to select that and see how it plays. Yeah, so I mean, it's okay. And then if I go sideways, there's the picture I took. So I think it's fairly decent. I mean, for kids, I think this is absolutely okay. So I'm going to go out of that. And then I'm going to go down and select settings. We don't want to change anything at the moment. Then games. I thought this was really cute to have games on the camera. So I'm just going to select that. Oh, and then there you've got Snake, Tetris, and Pushbox. So that's really nice. And if we select Snake, and then we select Start, and then we're just going to use these buttons to play. Okay, so we're going to go back again. So that's very nice. And then let's see what music has. So we're going to select that. So I think from here you can play music. So if you save music onto the SD card, you can then play it from here. So I'm just going to long press to switch it off. And then take out the SD card, push it in and out. It easily comes out, so that's good. There we are. So I'm going to open the picture, and then there's the picture there.
And as you can see, the video is starting. So I'm just going to take a video of the things that are around my desk.
So yeah, so the sound does come out well, so that's good. I think it is good for kids. So yeah, if you do want to buy yourself one, the link will be in the description. And if you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments. If you enjoyed the video and would like more sort of toys for kids reviews, please like the video and let me know. And until next time, bye.